Jal Cooper was an internationally acclaimed philatelist, that is, an expert on the subject of postage stamps. Born in Paris household in Mumbai, Cooper edited India's Stamp Journal. He was the founder of the first Philatelic Bureau in India, an office that collected stamps. He founded the Empire of India Philatelic Society. He went on to write many books on this subject. He gave a scientific bent to his hobby. He played a pivotal role in taking the study of Indian postage stamps to the international level. Having started his career as a postage stamp collector, Cooper achieved the expertise of a philatelist at the international level. The postage stamps on Jal Cooper is an important source to understand his significant contribution to this field. Material sources. The following sources are included among the physical sources: coins, places of worship, things in daily use, royal seals, ornaments, museums, clothing, modern architecture. Coins. We can also understand history with the help of coins and the changes in the printing of currency notes. Reserve Bank of India prints the notes. It has its headquarters in Mumbai. The coin from 1950 to those used at present, the metals used for making them, their different shapes, the diversity of subjects on them together help us to understand the important contemporary issues in India. For example, coins to convey the message of population control and coins communicating the importance of agriculture and of farmers. Museums. All states of India have museums that depict the characteristics and display the cultural and social heritage of the state. They enable to understand history. For example, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum at Mumbai and Reserve Bank Museum in Pune city. Apart from the government museums, some private collectors also set up their own museums. They are based on distinctive subjects. For example, coins, notes, lamps, and nutcrackers in different shapes, cricket equipments, etc. Oral sources. These sources include folk tales, folk songs, proverbs, ballads, and ovis. Ovis means Marathi verses in the oral tradition. Activities were inspired by the povadas of Lokashahir Annabhau Sate and Shahir Amar Sheikh during the Sanyukta Maharashtra movement. As an example, how some event gets reflected in literature and how a poet pursues that events. Study the poem Avahan, written on the backdrop of the Sino-Indian War by the noted Marathi poet Kusmagraj. Find pieces of literature based on contemporary events. A board or a tablet which you are using currently to learn the topic is the best example of audio-visual source. Television, films, internet are called audio-visual media. For example, History Channel, Discovery Channel, etc. Film and Television Institute of India, FTII. The Government of India started the Film and Television Institute of India at Pune in 1960 with the purpose of providing public education. An institute called Indian News Review has produced various newsreels on important events in politics, social issues, art, sports, and culture. This department has also produced various documentaries on prominent social leaders, on people who have made major contributions for the country, and about important locations in India. These news releases and documentaries are useful for studying the history of modern India. Try this. Which films about patriotism do you know of? Answer. I like the movie Dangal, released in 2016. In your own words, write a review of one such a films that you have liked. With the gender equality, the movie also gives the patriotic inspiration. I remember at the end of the movie, the national anthem is the part of the movie and everyone in the theater stand up immediately with lots of emotions towards the nation. Conclusion. Till now we have seen some important sources for writing the history of modern India. The times in the 21st century are changing so rapidly that even these sources will prove to be inadequate. However, new sources are coming forth. For example, during the transformation from landline telephone to cell phones, a gadget called pager came up for contacting people. The huge amount of information available on the internet is used for studying history. But the truth and authenticity of this information need to be verified. Now it has become comparatively easy to study history with all these sources, as these sources are from